Welcome to the freelybits.net channel. I have the MOTU 16A, which is a great audio interface and mixer. The browser-based app controller is really very flexible, and the control and sound quality is great. The only problem I have is that I really prefer hardware controllers, especially for live sets. Now, I don't want to be fiddling around with a mouse or a touch screen, so I contacted MOTU about automation of their browser application, and they said there was no option available at the moment. So I looked into this and found a way to do this and built a solution. So here I just want to show a preview of this in action. If anyone else wants to do this, then please subscribe or get in touch and I'll put content details at the end of the video. If there is interest, I'll add more content. So I bought a very cheap MIDI controller. It's called the Devine EZ-Creator Fade. It's a very simple MIDI controller and I picked it up for 25 British pounds new, so it's quite a good price. And what I've done here is I've just set up the MIDI controller to automate the MOTU browser application. So here, if you look at MIDI channel 1, I've set up this mute button so that we can toggle mute easily, and also the slider. I've set this up for the first 8 channels, and you'll notice that my first channel configured on the MOTU is a stereo one, so actually this channel 2 isn't actually associated with that because it's actually the second channel. However, these 3, 4 and 5 are the next 3 mono channels. As you can see, you can move all 3 at the same time and do what you want. So this is just great for automating. Also, if you're using live, then we can record this. So let's just record this and make a few adjustments. Then stop this and let's play it back. And so you can see that those changes were recorded and played back automatically. So there we have it. That's just a very early preview of this module that I've developed working with this very simple MIDI controller. I'm planning on adding support for the Akai MIDI mix. This has got a few more trims. I'll add that shortly. If anyone else wants more information about this, or they have their own MIDI controller that they'd like an interface for, then please get in touch. You can contact me by email at midi@freelybits.net, or you can post here. Any feedback on this is welcomed.